Hello and welcome to this video. If you haven't seen these videos before, my name is Ruth Power and I'm the founder of Piano Picnic. Today we're talking about how to make your chords come alive, and I've got 4 different tips that are going to help you to bring your chords from feeling a bit undead to more exciting and bring them alive. You probably play chords like a block chord, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the beat. But what we're going to do today is talk about some ideas, some rhythms, and some extra notes we can put in to make that a little bit more exciting. The clave is the rhythm that we're going to be looking at right now. Now, if you're a notation person, here it is. You can take a look at it. But basically how we're going to count is 1, 2, and 3, 4. We're going to be playing on the 1, the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. We can practice this rhythm. We can play it in the right hand or the left hand, and it's just a really great way to make your chords a bit more syncopated and a bit more interesting with the rhythm. Here's an example. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 So we can bring that into the left hand as well. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, moving on. So that's the clave. That's the first one that we looked at. The second one that we looked at is this idea of the suspended second, or as I like to say at Halloween time, the suspicious second. And that's when we're playing the 2 instead of the 3 in the chord. We're only playing it momentarily because we want to get to the chord that we're supposed to be playing, right? If you're told to play a C major or a C minor, you've got to play it, but you can just fiddle around with the 2 or the 4 in the scale. So in C major, the 2 is here, the 4 is here. You can use one or both. Here's an example. Moving around. Okay, so those are some ideas how we can use the sus2 or the sus4 in order to suspiciously get to our chord eventually. Now, those are 3 tips. The 4th tip, so that was the clave rhythm, the sus2, the sus4. The 4th tip is to break up your chords. And of course, that means instead of playing a block chord, it means playing in groups, or all individual notes. Okay, so let's have a go at doing all of those different things in one go. So we've got the clave, moving to the left hand, then the sus2. And then the 4. So there you go. There's 4 chord types for you to have a look at doing to make your chords a little bit more exciting than the usual.